Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to make a ground beef and macaroni bake. I just filled a pot with water and I have 2 cups of macaroni noodles. I actually have one special curly one in here apparently. I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the pot with a little bit of salt and get that boiling. Then I'm going to start the ground beef in a skillet. Basically just fry that up until there's no more pink. So while your beef is browning and your pasta is boiling, you can go ahead and grab the extra stuff you're gonna need. I use just a regular pasta sauce. You can choose any pasta sauce you want. I have a little bit of a mild curry powder, black pepper, and my favorite roasted red pepper and garlic. And grate yourself a decent amount of cheese to cover everything. So the meat is pretty well all cooked through. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon of curry powder, roasted red pepper just to taste, regular pepper just to taste. Mix that in. And then add your sauce, if I can. And then basically you're just gonna cover that and let that simmer until your pasta is fully cooked. And it should look something just like this. I mean, it's pretty simple, really. Just like that. Cover that to lock in the flavor. And I'll be back. So yeah, get your pasta strained and drained. And then pop it into your skillet with your meat and combine that all, let that simmer for a few minutes before adding it to a casserole dish. After you have transferred it to your casserole dish, it will look something like this. I'm gonna go ahead and whack a crap ton of cheese on the top, pop it in the oven at 350 until, you know, the cheese melts and everything's, you know, bubbling. And then I normally put it on grill or broil for about 10 minutes until the cheese gets kind of nice and crispy. And there you go. I will bring you back to the finished dish. And there we have it, you guys. I would serve this with some garlic toast or cheese buns. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching.